front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System and Updates. Now click on Language and Input. Seal your keyboard if it's your current one, and input. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. If you are using Microsoft keyboard, click on it over here. Then select typing and tap on this switcher next to autocorrect feature to manage it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!